Hello everyone, welcome to class. Today we will teach on collective nouns. What are collective nouns? A collective noun is a word that refers to a group of people, animals, or things as a single unit. For example, instead of saying many players, we say a team of players. Instead of saying many birds, we say a flock of birds. Instead of saying many bananas, we say a a bunch of bananas. Even though a collective noun refers to more than one thing, it is usually treated as a singular noun in a sentence. Let's see some example sentences. The team is playing well. We don't say the team are playing well. When referring to a single unit, we say the team is playing well. We treat team as one unit, so we use is. However, in some cases, if we are talking about the individual members of the group, we can use a plural verb. Let's see some more examples on collective nouns. A class of students, a faculty of teachers, a congregation of worshippers, a gang of thieves, a staff of employees, a band of musicians, a horde of tourists, a team of athletes, a troupe of dancers, a mob of rioters, a bevy of beauties, a pack of reporters, a throng of spectators, a panel of judges, a crew of sailors, a party of friends, a cast of actors, a board of directors, a tribe of natives, a bench of magistrates, a crowd of people, a team of doctors, a pride of lions, a herd of elephants, a troop of monkeys, a slough of bears, a pack of wolves, a pod of whales, a colony of bats, a leap of leopards, a flock of birds, a murder of crows, a parliament of owls, a covey of quails, a school of fish, a pod of dolphins, a smack of jellyfish, a swarm of bees, a colony of ants, a flutter of butterflies, a cluster of spiders, a scourge of mosquitoes, a business of flies, a fleet of ships, a convoy of trucks, a pack of cards, a set of tools, a pile of books, a bundle of sticks, a chest of drawers, a stack of newspapers, a heap of rubbish, a forest of trees. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English lessons. Comment below with one collective noun you learned today. See you in our next lesson. Bye bye.